story with this van. This is a 1973 bay window. This is an 8 bay, so 73 to 79. I got this in the Isle of Wight. I had a lovely little Peugeot 309. I was dating a girl, we went on holiday, and unfortunately the tent blew away in a 100-mile-an-hour gale. Had a massive argument with this girl I was with. She stormed off and found herself some accommodation, and I did what any bloke would do and go for a spirited drive. As it had it, I made it to a place called Edna. Now it's sort of twisty and uphill, and it was a bit of fun, you know, skidding about and stuff, and I then stumbled across this van. So I knocked on the guy's door. It looked like a chicken coop. It had cardboard for windows, and I wanted it. And we come to a deal, and in essence, he gave me £150 and this van for my car. Now my car, my 309, I previously swapped for something else. So this van now owes me minus £150. So this is why I've had it so many years, and I really don't want to get rid of it. But anyhow, I've got the van. It looks like cardboard. I buy it off the guy. He comes out with the MOT. Oh, it's got an MOT. He come out with new window rollers, all the windows, new bumpers, new bits. And I rocked this van for about 2 years before I actually had to do anything on it. I mean, it was a bit ratty, it was a bit nasty. It's been about 12 different colours in my ownership. But yeah, then came the fiberglass. And today, that's what we're going to be ripping out. That is a thick bit of fiberglass. There's actually some metalwork behind it. Okay, the masses of filler and fiberglass are appalling, and I like to think I've learnt a bit more about messing about with cars since I was doing this, but at least it's only spot welded. It's not too bad. So that bit come out fairly well. There's no rot there, so there's a few dents and a few spot welds that I need to make good on the dash, but at least it's not ruined, and it's definitely salvageable. So yeah, just the rest of it to go.
Amazing. You got your phone. The sticker that says Big Bollocks Tech inside the van. Right, what of this do you want to keep?
None of it.
Okay. I almost feel bad doing this bit, because it's all like fresh and lovely.
Yeah, that's what it used to look like, man, when we actually sort of done it. This is part of a Morris Minor wing. There you go. That's where the headlight went.
Oh, classic Ted. Hit it, Ben. Yeah. Oh, the fridge. Oh, I broke the fridge door. It's alright, I took it off earlier. All of the crisps. Oh. thought they were screws, they're just holes.
Lovely and strong. Is that all filler? That is all filler. Wow. What can I say? I've got an empty van. Yeah, Ben did well. We didn't kill anyone. Nothing got too badly broke, and I've now got a big pile of stuff I've got to clear out. But it's good. Repair-wise, it doesn't need a lot, so it shouldn't take too long to get back together, and then we can start on some of the other weirder, wonderful projects. But you might have heard Ben say all of the crisps. Well, we took out one of the cupboards, and down the back of it we found what I must have been eating back in 15 years ago, because these run out of date on the 26th of November 05. So if anyone wants these before they go in the bin, drop me a message and I'll post you a pack. I hope you enjoy them.